tell us a 2-minute masterclass on just teaching and leading those
Okay,
Gen
so
Zers.
if in the ideal world, you have a clear set of articulated values for your company that is no more than 1 page, maybe 2 pages. And in the onboarding process of onboarding a Gen Zer, you not just recite it, you get buy-in as to what those values are. We show up on time around here. We tell the truth. We don't blame people for our problems, right? We always try to find a way to make things better, right? You do not bring your personal life into the workplace, right? Ba, 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 ba. While you are onboarding them, you don't just do it. You say, hey, do you have any problem with this? Tell me your feedback. You involve them in that value process. You get them to co-sign it, not just in some procedural way, but to have them have real buy-in. Why does that matter? You have now established a standard of conduct that when they break it, like, hey guys, remember in that onboarding 3 months ago, you said you're not gonna bring your personal life into business? Well, you just did that. So let's talk about why you did that. You need to live up to the standard. This is probably always been true in corporate life. It is so enormously important for Gen Z because they have a tendency to try to make there's no like work-life separation. And they also will cry injustice sometimes for something that you think is a normal operating corporate business practice that they need to be reminded to in clear detail. So you can have like the 10 commandments of savory brands or whatever it is, right?